Here we are at March 3rd, and there's some kind of rain, ice, snow, sleek, everything going on today, so I don't know. The roads don't look that good. They just seem like a sheet of ice, but we'll see what the Michelin Jets do on this. Actually feel really slick on this. It almost feels like I'm riding on a bunch of marbles or something like that. But anyway, it's March, and that's all we got to do until further notice. Temperatures hovering right around, I would say, 30 degrees. So of course this little drizzle that's falling is just instantly turning into ice once it hits the deck. So it's a prime day to take a spill and break something. So I will see you guys later, and in the meantime, if you can, get outside and ride. It's not that bad.